Our shipment has arrived. Woohoo! Finally!
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Our shipment has arrived. Woohoo! Finally! Finally! I think so. I think that's the
And
first.
those are our mattresses, so we can find have a nice comfy night.
And some of our stuff up in there. Yep. It's here. How do you feel? How do you feel now that the things are here?
Excited, and I can finally decorate my room and make my dream room come true.
I can see. So, do you think everything is safe in there?
No,
Well,
definitely not.
I'm hoping that it
But if
is.
it's not done, we can always just see them. That's fine.
They should be all fine.
My favorite thing is going to be the fridge.
Let's wait to see then if we get it all
And
together.
the old bed. Someone's going to bring something from the UK.
That's
You can
true.
see it.
That's true.
So now that we have our pillows sorted, which are just these two big ones, these two small ones, and then these two extras, I'm going to show you how I put a blanket on. So I just like to either fold it at the edge or fold it at the bottom. So this is the blanket. So it really depends what kind of style I'm going for. Like I could go for at the bottom, which is what I am going to do. So I'm going to do that. Now that the blanket is on, I'm going to show you guys how I arrange the pillows. So big pillows at the bottom. Medium pillows at the top. and then small pillows in between. Now this is the finished product. Hope you like that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
So currently we have some boxes here that we're going to be we've shipped them specifically for people that we're bringing some stuff for. And we still have the table, that's the one over there in the far corner, that we need to fit up. And we've managed to sort through some of our things. This table, when it came, one of its leg is broken, so we're going to have to get that fixed. Eliona is here sorting out some of her things that she brought and just making sure that everything is where they should be and reminding herself of where some of them are. We still have some mattress over in the corner over there that we need to get some bed bases built for. We've managed to sort through quite a lot of these boxes that we've brought. These are some empty ones here, and we've got some other empty ones out on the veranda. And we're just busy trying to sort through as many things as we can and locating where things should be. So those things over in the corner over there, we've sorted and we know what those are. So we're just putting things in the right places to where they need to be, and then take our time to go through and sort out as many of them as we can sort out.
You hear that? Nice silence. That's how you know you're not in the UK.
Oh, the silence that we can hear.
Because we're always hearing our neighbours and other road sounds. Even though we are close to one of the roads, we don't hear it as much, and we can hear all the birds
chirping. Yeah. Not other people next door to us.
No, because we don't have neighbours. Well, we do, but they're not connected to our house.
So in the UK we had a semi-detached house, and now we have a detached house here in Jamaica.
Which is a blessing.
Because we predominantly lived in semi-detached when we were in the UK. So we always had a neighbour immediately next to us. And now the neighbours are a little bit of away.
Our garden. Even though then we still have neighbours that are annoying, but they're not humans, they're dogs.
So that's the bit that you have an issue with now.
Yeah, the dogs coming. I didn't mind the cat because it didn't make sound, and it didn't want to keep knocking on the doors and stuff, and we didn't need to feed it because it had its own home.
Okay. But the dogs are still coming by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a bit frustrating.
Okay.
Sooner or later they'll go to a different place.
Hopefully.
Annoy them instead of us.
Well, we'll see how that works out. So we're just going to keep working through sorting out what we've got, and everything will go into place, because some of the bags here, like that one over there, the love one, it's emptied already, because it was Eliona's things and she's managed to work her way through it and emptied it already. We've emptied some of the boxes, as I've mentioned, and some of the like the picture frames, some of the pictures we have had locked away. Some of our frames have been broken, and we've worked those around. For example, in the shipment, the glass from this one is broken, so we had to just take it out and then just put it up as is until we get that replaced. But we wanted to put up the other ones so that we don't have any issues with them, because we don't want them broken all over the place, so we have to just secure them. And we'll see how we manage to work our way down through them. We're trying to put the boxes out once we empty them. So these ones are here to be taken out, but we've left some here just in case we can pack things that we don't want to unpack yet, but they're in boxes that are broken. For example, the back box here is broken, and so we can probably transfer the things from there over to this box here, that is still in a good enough condition for now. And we're just going to work through with what we have. So in the week coming, we will take these to their homes, so that will reduce some of the things that we have packed up in our living room, because we'll take these to the people who we shipped them for and reduce what we have in here. So some of the other bits that we have outside, for example, we've got the rubbish here that we're going to bring down to the rubbish hold that is just down the road from here, and that is the remains of one of the lift vans. So we had 2 lift vans, and we had a pallet and then some stuff that was packed separately. So this lift van is left. You can see some of the plyboard that was used to make. The second one is at the back and around it. Some people have come and collected some of the things off of it, and then this one is left, which we'll see what to do with over time. Hello, hello, hello. Walk on, big up yourself. Whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. At this moment in time, we are so delighted that we are reunited with our things that were shipped. It is a joyful feeling inside, and we're just going to take our time and work through unpacking the things that we need to unpack, because at this point in the day, it's not a race to unpack them as it was when we were packing them to come. But of course, we want to try and pack them out so we can have access to our things, and also so that we can get the place looking a little bit more tidy each day, not looking like a storehouse. But we will work through it in our own time and see how it goes. But we are delighted to see so many of our things that we have been longing to have access to finally back with us. Although there are some damages done to a few of the things, overall we expect that, you know, things will happen, and we're happy that it hasn't gone more wrong in terms of damage for that journey as it trekked from the UK to us here in Jamaica. We just want to say thank you for coming along on another day's adventure with us, and we are very appreciative of the time that you're spending looking at how things are going and celebrating with us and going along each time on our adventure as we're taking them. And we are happy to have you as a Jam Fam tribe. So goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.